Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tell me honestly, have you logged in into a server multiple times a day and typed the password again and again? Yes, right? It gets annoying. Today I am going to show you something that solved this problem. That is SSH passwordless connection. And don't worry, I will show you the full demo step by step. But first, quickly understand the concept because understanding the concept is very important from my point of view. Okay, let's forget about the server for 2 minutes. Imagine something very simple. You have an house and your friend have another house. Now, whenever you go to your friend's room and knock the door, you say a secret password. If the password is correct, your friends open the door. But if the password is wrong, the door remains closed. This is known as SSH login, where you tell the password to your friend each and every time you go to your friend's house. So this is a repetitive work and you will get annoyed after a certain period of time. So here the concept SSH passwordless login comes into picture. Now imagine something smarter. Instead of shouting the password every time, your friends give a special lock. And you created a special key that only matches with that lock. Now every time you visit it, you just need to use that key and the doors opens automatically. This entire concept is called as SSH passwordless login. Now I am quite sure you understand the concepts of SSH passwordless login, and now I will tell you the detailed steps how you can achieve this in your server. Now imagine these two houses as servers. This is servers A and this is server B. So in the server A, we will use SSH-keygen command to create two files. One is private key, that is secret, and another one is public key, that is the shareable log, what we will be sharing with our server B. Then we will cd into the .ssh folder and we will do ls-l. So when we do ls-l, we can see id underscore that is the private key, and id underscore rsa.pub, that is the public key. So we will copy that output of that public file to the server B and paste it to the authorized key of the server B. Then again we can come to the server A and we can see that the passwordless connection is established between these two servers. So this is all about the SSH passwordless login. Now we will quickly go into the demo. So now I am in my AWS console and I have already created two servers. One is server A and server B. So server A is running on Ubuntu flavor and server B is running in a Red Hat flavor. So I have already SSH into my two servers. One is Ubuntu and one is the EC2 instance, that is the Red Hat. So first we will create the key pair by using the command SSH-keygen. So then enter. So it is created. Then we will cd to our SSH folder and we will do ls-l. Now you can see there are three folders and this folder has been generated. So id-rsa is the private key that will be in your machine and id-rsa.pub is the public key that will be shared with the server B. So now I will do, and after opening I will copy this public key and go to the server B, and here also I'll go to the .ssh folder. You can see there is authorized key file and we will open the authorized file and save it. Then after doing this, we will test that we are able to connect from server A to server B or not. SSH A to server B by using SSH EC2 user, because the name of the server B is EC2 user, @ the public EP or the private IP of the EC2 user, and press enter. Tada! Successfully you have logged in the server B. So this is all about the SSH login without password. So you must practice it, and if you have any question, please do comment in the chat. I will be there to help you. And the common issue might be that you will be faces permission issue, because the authorized key and the SSH folder should have some permission set. So if you face that issue, please be checked about it, and see you in the next video. And please do like and subscribe to my channel, because your like and subscription help me to make more video. Thank you all.